Good. If you want, you can also record. If you want permission, you can ask. So that is there any? Is there
Okay, sir.
not required? I will post it. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Excellent. You are from which? Good morning, Amit Anand.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. You are from which city? You are coming?
So I am from Bokaro Steel City, Jharkhand.
Pardon? You are from?
Bokaro Steel City, Jharkhand.
Oh, Bokaro. Oh.
Steel City, Jharkhand.
Oh, Baba. Jharkhand. Correct. Bokaro. Bokaro steel plant is very famous, you know.
Yes, sir.
It was started with the help of whom? Any idea?
Yes, sir. Russians, the Russian engineers and the government helped a lot in starting this.
With the help of Russian government and all, it started. Very good. Now,
Yes, sir. They only planned all the. So they planned the city and everything. Everything has been planned by them.
Excellent. Now, is the unit going on well? Is it making profit?
Yes, sir. They are making profits, and they have started work on the renovation of plant and city and everything. The work is going on really well, sir.
Oh, they are going on improving it now. Good.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Jharkhand. Acha, Jharkhand is not very far away from Haridwar and all. आप लोग का आदमी ज्यादा उधर गया होगा ना for the Kumbh Mela.
No, sir. It is far away, very far, because we are very close to Bengal. So the UP side and MP side is really far off from here.
Acha. Very good. Maybe that is the reason. Good. Very nice. Can you tell me what is the degree you studied before joining law?
Sir, I did a 5-year course after my 12th. I joined a 5-year BA LLB program in a national law university in Ranchi.
In Ranchi?
Yes, sir. So after 12th, I cleared CLAT, and from that I got a good rank and got into National Law School.
Yeah, CLAT itself was a very tough examination in those years. I mean, even now, I think it must be very tough. Getting success in that is really tough. And the best law school was supposed to be National Law School, Bengaluru.
Yes, sir.
Even now it is so, or has it been changed?
I think it is a tough competition between Bangalore and Delhi now currently.
Now there is competition between Bengaluru and Delhi. Pehle to Bengaluru and Kolkata tha.
Yes, sir. Bangalore, Kolkata and Hyderabad, sir. After Bangaluru, Hyderabad was there.
Nalsar, Hyderabad.
Yes.
But now it has come to be like this. Very good, very good. Now you are appearing for which interview? South Indian Bank.
Yes, the South Indian Bank Probationary Officer Legal.
Probationary Officer Legal. Good. Excellent. Very nice. Your selection process examinations were similar to other probationary officers, or was there any difference?
So there was only one stage of written examination, which was conducted online, and then they declared the results for the candidates who were shortlisted for interview.
How many have been shortlisted?
So they did not tell us that. There was just.
They have been. You can know your result only.
Yes,
I mean, from the website, you can know only your, and your next date of interview also has not been told to you.
No, sir.
I think mostly it will be through video conferencing only, like this.
Yes, sir. Because the situation is really not
comfortable for people to travel.
Yes,
and even prior to that time also, they were conducting only through oral up to the last stage, only through video up to the last stage. They will do it 1, 2, 3 like that. First time they will call you for 10 minutes. I mean, I am talking about other probationary officers, security officer and all. First time they will call you for 10 minutes. And after that, if you are selected, they will tell you, okay, we will call you again. And second time or third time only they finalize. Good.
Okay.
So what is it that made you draw interest towards legal profession?
Sir, after 12th, I was really searching for career options. And when I saw, like, I came through some prospectus of CLAT, and I went through the syllabus and everything, what was being taught in 5-year law school program. And from like before 10th also I was interested in social studies subjects.
Mm.
So it really fascinated me in arts and literature and all sort of things. So when I came through CLAT brochure and I saw that over the course of 5 years, they teach around 60 subjects and and you could also after like 3 years, you could choose a specialization of your own interest. Like you could choose constitutional law, you could choose IPR, you could choose corporate law, criminal law, and like endless options were there. So, and it was something different and something new. So it fascinated me and I went for it. And I chose corporate law after 3 years as in my honors paper. I did my honors in corporate law.
Good, good, good.
So,
You chose corporate law as your favorite subject.
yes, sir.
The last
Yes,
2
sir.
years. Very good, very good, very good. You completed this degree in 2018.
Yes, sir.
After that, you are a member of Bar Association.
Yes, sir. I am member of Bar Association of Jharkhand High Court Bar Association.
Mhm. And you have been going as a, say, for some other senior person, or you are doing it by yourself?
Sir, I was going to a senior person for 1 year and a half. And then after that, I decided to prepare for exams.
Mhm.
And then like when I started preparing for exams, like within 6 months, like Corona happened. And since then, like I have been trying to get a good opportunity.
Yeah,
And when I saw this application, I applied for it.
very good. Why did you not apply for IBPS PO?
IBPS specialist officer. So I
Ah,
applied for the exam.
ah,
I qualified the pre-exams,
ah.
but I could not get through the mains exam.
Maybe the cutoff was higher there.
Yes, sir. I missed it by 1 mark only.
Oh, very sad, very sad. Yeah. And in fact, this SBI also came out with specialist officer, na?
Yes, sir. SBI came out with specialist officer, but they were asking for specifically for 2 years experience and that too in banking only. So
Oh,
I did not have experience, 2 years
th-
experience in banking.
that is right. So you were not eligible. Good, very good.
Yes, sir.
You are able to explain the reason very well. What is your father?
So my father is a administrative officer in income tax department.
Oh, great. AO in in the income tax department in
Yes,
Ranchi, in
in Dhanbad, sir.
Dhanbad. Acha, acha.
Yes, sir.
Dhanbad is known for what?
The coal mines, sir.
Very good. Very
There
good.
is they produce finest quality of coals.
Very good.
In India.
So you people are staying in Bukhara, yourself and your brother?
Yes, sir. And my mother, my whole family actually stays in Bokaro, and my father just travels to Dhanbad every day.
Oh,
So
every
like
day he
every
has
week.
to go. How far
Yes,
is
sir.
it from Bhopal, the Dhanbad?
So 45 kilometers around, 40
Only,
to 45.
only
Yes, sir.
45. Then it's okay. Fine, fine. That's very fine. Yeah, very good. How many siblings do you have?
So only one sibling I have, my brother, I have younger brother.
What is he doing?
So he's a uh, business technology consultant in ZS Associates. He's an engineer actually.
Engineer, basically an engineer. And
Yes,
now
sir.
he is working as a technology assistant. Good, good, good.
Consultant. Yes,
A
sir.
consultant. Good,
Yes, sir.
very good. Now, I hope you have gone through the papers I have sent you for preparation for this interview.
Yes,
And
sir.
it is not that this is only they are going to ask, they can ask anything else also. But what do
Okay.
you know about South Indian Bank?
So South Indian Bank is based in Thrissur, Kerala, and Sri Murli Ramakrishnan is its MD and CEO, and Sri Salim Gangadharan is its chairman.
Yeah.
And the bank has been doing really well. It
Mm.
has produced revenue of around $725 million in last year,
Mhm.
and it is one of the most promising and very competitive bank
Mm.
in South India.
Mm.
Uh, and so the whatever I went through are about the bank's corporate structure,
Mm.
it is really working well,
Mm.
and the NPAs are actually very less, and the performance of the bank has been really been growing over the past, consistently growing over the past 2-3 years.
Mhm. Good.
And it has about 900 branches all over
Mm.
India,
Mhm.
and in my state also it has 2 branches.
Oh, Which branches? What is the name of the branches?
So one branch was actually very near to my college where I studied in Kanke in Ranchi, and one is in Jamshedpur, sir.
Oh, very good. Jamshedpur is again famous for steel plant.
Yes, sir. Steel production.
Steel production, and it also has a very good place in say Jharkhand. Jharkhand
Yes, sir.
has to give importance for that also as
Yes, sir.
that of this thing. And I think South Indian Bank, they concentrate more on NRI banking.
Yes, sir.
Who
So
is,
because
yeah, tell me.
the people from Kerala, many people from Kerala, like in huge population of Kerala, lives outside India, and they need to transact with a good bank, so they prefer to choose South Indian Bank.
Yeah. What are
Because
the,
NRI
you are aware of the other local banks in Kerala in private sector?
yes, sir. There is Lakshmi Vilas Bank. There is ING Vaishya Bank. Uh, I think Yes Bank was also from somewhere near Kerala or around Kerala.
No.
I'm not
Yes
sure.
Bank is a new public sector, private sector bank. It's headquartered in Mumbai.
Okay.
Similarly, ING Vaishya is also not there now. Now, I think you are not aware of Catholic Syrian Bank.
Oh, yes, sir. I was not aware of that.
There is a bank, note down, there is a bank known as Catholic Syrian Bank.
So just wait.
No problem. Take time. See, invariably,
Yes,
when we go for employment with some company, we have
Yes,
to
sir.
know more about the company and also things associated with that company, near about that. So
Yes,
the competing bankers in Kerala, Catholic Syrian Bank, Federal Bank,
Yes, sir.
then Dhanalakshmi Bank Limited.
Yes, sir.
These are the banks that are there to my knowledge. Maybe there may be other
Yes.
banks also, but
Yes.
this is what is there. In talking about our Jharkhand, are there any famous local banks?
No, sir. Jharkhand does not have like all banks from like private sector and public sector banks which operate all over India. They have their branches here.
Oh, they have it, yeah. Must be ICICI, must be there, Axis Bank, and others must be there.
Yes, sir.
Very
All
good.
the banks.
All the banks have got it. Very good. So South Indian Bank.
Yes, sir.
Now, would you like me to go into some aspects of banking or go into legal?
Sir, anything.
Anything. Good.
Yes.
That's good. That's good. Can you tell me something about ATMs? What are ATMs?
So ATMs are full form of ATM is automated teller machine. And basically, earlier the function mainly was to withdraw cash, and but now since they have advanced, so we can also deposit money. There is also a facility for updating our passbooks and everything. We can check our balances there. We can do different types of transactions from all our bank accounts, whether it is current, whether it is savings bank account, or we would like to get our like transaction receipts and everything. If we want fast transaction, we can also get that from there. So it has now multiple functions and multiple utility.
Good. Jharkhand.
Yes, sir.
This place, you adjust your camera.
Yes, sir. My camera is down the laptop.
Yeah,
so
now it is okay. Yeah. Jharkhand is known for wrong reasons in terms of internet banking. Can you tell me what it is? Jharkhand is known for wrong reasons. I mean, it is not considered associated with something good. And what
Yes,
I hope you must be aware of the stories behind that.
Yes, sir.
What is
Yes,
that?
sir. So the scams and frauds have been happening, and people say that.
How
And
far
it is
is that
also
place?
somewhat true.
How far
Uh,
is that place from your place? Jamatara.
Sir, around 150 kilometers.
अरे बाबा, आप तो पास में आ गया.
Yes, sir.
150 kilometers. Arey bhai.
Yes.
See, I happen to go through some, say, serial in
Yes.
Netflix, Jamatara.
Jamtara. Yes, sir.
Yeah, there only this they show, and in the serial, how nicely those small boys, very very small boys, and they talk in different languages, they
Yes,
talk
sir.
in different tones, and it really happens. So some of them can speak in say female voice and male voice, so that much way and do it, and they try to do frauds. What is that
Yes.
process called? Technically, what is that process called? Phishing.
Technique. Phishing. Yes.
Phishing.
Yes, sir.
Phishing. So they are
Yes, sir.
technically strong in getting it done. And the people who are losing money are not laymen like us. I am not a layman, but still,
Very,
even
very
judges.
influential people.
Yeah,
Very influential people also.
yeah, judges also
Sometimes.
sometimes judges also lose. People who are working in legal department, lawyers, they
Yes.
also lose. So it's very sad. Yeah, good.
So
So how
not
can
only,
such? Yeah, tell me.
sir, like Jamtara and adjacent areas have been a hub for this. But like the people of Jharkhand are also very much affected by this because sitting in Bokaro and we also get calls all the times. Like
अच्छा
your ATM has, yes, sir. So it is not very
अच्छा
much
अच्छा
different for,
आप लोग को भी वो लोग कॉल करेगा?
yes, sir, definitely. We
अरे
get
भाई,
calls all the times.
हमने
Like
सोचा
your
वो,
ATM has been blocked and everything like
हाँ,
that.
हमने सोचा they will be calling only South India, North India, and all the other places, but your people are also called,
Yes, sir, they are being
and of
scammed as
course they
well.
will talk in your local language also, Maithili language,
Yes,
of
sir.
course. Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
They may talk in your local Hindi or Maithili and say your this thing is blocked, and if you
Yes, sir.
don't get it done now, finished you are, something like that.
Yes, sir.
Very
So
bad.
balance will be lost and something.
Ah, baap re baap. How can such crimes be avoided?
So such crimes like RBI has been doing really well. Like it has been putting out ads and everything to like make customers aware of such scams. But still, people like fall for these things. Like we every now and then, we get a message that please don't tell your OTP or card number or everything to any stranger for whatsoever reason necessary. And even if they say that they are from the bank, don't tell them also. But still, people are like not. um listening to them or like
In fact, nowadays bank people calling customers has become very
very less.
minimum, not even 0.01%. Bankers never call the customers nowadays. If at all they want, they will send you email or whatever it is so that you can be called there and all. But even then, some of us believe that bank manager is talking, so we share the information. So that is why we are put into these problems and all. Good. What are your strengths?
Sir, I am a young and enthusiastic legal professional. Sir, I have been like very much interested in banking law, though I have seen banking work, like banking law work from afar, because I have not like been I have only been as junior counsel to lawyer who was doing such work. I have not like myself done all the work, but still I found it fascinating. And by my study of the as honors paper, I studied corporate law, and banking was one of my papers, banking and insurance. So like subject interests me very much, and the working in reputed bank like reputed private sector bank like South Indian Bank would really interest me, and I would work with my full heart and soul in them.
Good. You were working as a junior for a senior. So
Yes, sir.
what was the nature of work you were doing?
So all kinds of like civil, criminal. Also, there was some negotiable instrument act was used. Also, I've dealt with like some. My senior gave advice about if you get a notice from bank about recovery, NPAs, and all.
And so you were
So
issuing,
what to do?
your senior was issuing notice on behalf of bank?
No, sir. He was advising the people who were issued notice by the bank.
Oh, acha, acha, acha. Can you recollect any such one incident?
Yes, sir. So there was there was a
Don't tell
person
the
who,
name of the bank. Bank's name is not required. Customer's name is not required. Just tell the facts of the case.
so there was something, as far as I recall, there was like the customer received a notice from the bank, and he like most of the persons, like they do not take this seriously. Like they tend to avoid the bank notice, or they would like simply they will lock their houses and they will go out, and like they will pretend that they have not received their notice. But what bank does is they put it outside your house and something like that. So the client which came, he had been ignoring the notice and
Notices.
everything. Yes, sir. So what happened finally was that bank put it for like there was a notice that we are about to sell your property and we are about to auction it, and there was some time and date was mentioned that we are going to auction it on such date, and such price has been, the base price, something like that, had been kept for that. So the client came to my senior. So the my senior actually advised him that the only like ground which we had was that the property which was being sold, the valuation of that property was actually wrong. And he said that the actual value of the property would be actually very much more than what the bank is fixing the price. So my client would be at loss if bank auctioned that property.
Hmm.
So my senior advised him to like raise the objection that the property is far below the price which he would fetch in market if it would sell in open market and not in an auction. So the appeal was made to DRT, as far
Oh,
as I remember.
then further steps you don't know, no? What happened after that you don't know?
No, sir. I said it has been 1.5, more than 2 years. That
It's
I
okay.
do
It's
not,
okay.
do not recall.
The reason why I'm asking such questions is that in your interview, they will be asking more of practical experience as a lawyer. Practical experience you have had as a lawyer, more in connection with a bank also. The incident you are reporting is a case of a banker going to DRT. What is DRT?
So debt recovery tribunal, sir.
So what is the amount above which cases are to be filed in DRT?
So 20 lakhs.
Correct. And so that is, you are talking about DRT. But now
Yes, sir.
I think you must have come across name of another act which helps bankers to recover the money without going to the court.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
Are
There
you
is,
are you aware
yes,
of that
sir.
act? What is that act?
Yes, sir. So insolvency and bankruptcy code.
That is the last step. बहुत आगे उसका अगर ही भी और एक स्टेप है ना, SARFAESI Act.
Yes, sir. SARFAESI, definitely, sir. The DRT is governed by SARFAESI Act, like
No,
DRT and RDBFI Act.
DRT is not governed by SARFAESI Act. DRT is a place where you go and file a suit. And in those days, the DRT was started with a view that it will be speeding up the process, but that was
Yes,
not
sir.
happening. And in order to prevent that only, now SARFAESI Act come, by which the bankers and financial institutions, they don't have to go to the DRT also, but straight away attach the
Property of
property
the,
mortgaged by giving
yes, sir.
60 days notice.
60 days notice by
You,
section 13 of
yeah, you must
SARFAESI.
know about this in detail.
Yes,
You
sir.
must know about this in detail, because this question can be asked either as SARFAESI Act, how it can be implemented, or it can be asked how NPA, what are the steps banks can take to reduce NPA. Even then, this question this answer will come. So
Yes, sir.
get to know about that. I think in that they say bank has to issue a 60 days notice, and after which also if he is not giving, then they can take possession of the property. And after taking possession of the property can be brought to sale.
Same. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is SARFAESI Act is good. But the one you were telling is what is that? Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code.
Bankruptcy code.
I'm not
yes,
very
sir.
much comfortable. I mean, fully aware about that, except that I know that that act can be used by bankers to pressurize him so that he wants to avoid getting insolvent. Then he may
Yes.
repay the money quickly.
Yes, sir.
That may be, that is normally moved by creditors. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
like
So
banks.
there are many types of creditors like operational creditor, financial creditors. They can pursue their debtors. Like they could, there is a certain percentage, like if 10% of the creditors or more than 100 creditors, they agree that they are going to file a complaint with Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board to like go for liquidation of the company to recover their debts. The company which took their loan, which is the debtor. So they go for liquidation so that their debts are could be settled speedily. And also there is time limit of 30 days. So there is not there are situations in when court cases go on for years and years and banks simply like do not recover their dues. In Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code makes it mandatory for the process has to be completed in 330 days. So it is a speedy process and it is an effective method for reducing NPAs.
Now is the time when many people try to join only public sector banks. What
Yes,
made
sir.
you get confidence in joining a private sector bank?
Sir, the foremost reason would be that my half of the family is working in banks. And what I saw was like earlier they were in public sector banks, but then they switched to private sector banks.
Oh,
Like my uncles and they work for public sector banks and then they switched to other banks.
mhm.
So other banks which were private sector. So I do not think it would be there would be a great difference because in private sector the atmosphere is more challenging. Individual can grow more, and also as per the advertisement, the pay scale and everything is as per the Indian Bank Association pay scale. So there is no such difference at all.
So that is why. Good, good, good.
Yes,
Acha,
sir.
what are the languages you know?
So I know 3 languages: the English, there is Hindi, and there is Mathili.
Your local language. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Good. Hindi you know fully well to read and write?
Yes. Yes,
Very,
sir. All
very
3 languages I know to write
How
and
many months will you take to learn Malayalam?
So I could learn. I will try to learn as quickly as possible. Nowadays, YouTube. I searched YouTube. There are lessons for Malayalam, and I can learn. I will take like I
No,
think 2 3 months.
you don't have to fear about posting there. Mostly you'll be posted in Delhi and other places. But if at all they post you to South India also, you must be able to manage.
Yes.
Yeah, how
I
will you manage as a single individual, like for food and all, how will you manage in a southern state?
Sir, I actually one of my hobbies is apart from like watching sports and like TV series, my hobby is cooking as well. So I enjoy cooking, and at my home also, whenever I sometimes tell my mother that you should take a break from cooking, and I
Really?
will make dinner or something. Yes, sir.
Very few children tell their mother like this. Acha, you are giving, you opt for doing mother's work also.
Yes, sir. I love cooking actually, and also
Good.
it is for a convenience for my mother. So
Right, right. Maybe you can cook the item you like very much
yes, sir.
and try to
Yes, sir.
see that also. Good, good. Cooking is easier or cleaning bartan is easier? Which one is easier?
So cooking is easier if the utensils are clean. It is really easy to cook.
Yeah, bartan cleaning is very problematic. It's a
Yes,
cumbersome procedure. Yeah, but still
yes,
we
sir.
have to do this. Have you had the opportunity of staying alone, away from family?
Yes, sir. For 5 years, I was in National Law School.
Oh,
So,
acha, in Ranchi.
yes, sir.
Mhm. You
So,
were in a hostel.
yes, sir. So we were not allowed to live outside. We had to live inside the campus only.
Oh, why were they conducting classes in the evenings also?
No, sir. But like it was kind of a government rule because it was a government college. So it was a rule that everybody has to stay in
True,
the accommodation provided.
that is true. But normally classes are conducted from during which hours?
So from morning 8:30 to like 3:30 in the afternoon.
Bus. Good, good. Can you tell me something about the moot court?
Yes, sir. So actually, moot court as part of our curriculum, like very few national law schools have it, but in other national schools, it is mostly optional. Like people who are interested, like they could opt for it. But in our national law school, it was compulsory and part of our curriculum. Like every law paper which was taught, it had a separate marks. Like if at the end of the semester, 100 credits are allotted for a particular subject, then out of that 100, 30 marks or 30 credits were for specifically for moot courts in every subject. So whatever subjects we were taught, we did moot courts and moot problems were given to us, and we would actually, like, hypothetical moot problems were given to us, and we would prepare for a weekend. So, and our professor would sit as a judge, and we would go through moot courts, and we would prepare like plaintiff or defendant, whichever side we were given. And we had a lot of practice of that in college.
So you had lot of participation.
Yes, sir.
Good. In your batch, how many candidates were studying?
So 100 people, 100 seats were there for.
Out of which how many were girls?
Sir, I would say more than boys.
Really? 50-50 होगा?
आजकल ज़्यादा होगा सर.
अच्छा? Oh, 60 women and 40 men like that.
हाँ, you could say.
क्यों जी? क्यों ऐसा हो जाता है आजकल?
I don't know, but it is really good that female participation.
More of women. And toppers are boys or girls?
Definitely more girls were toppers.
Oh, acha. Good. So they can also argue like men. It is not necessary only men can argue well. They can also argue well. Good. Can you tell the name of some of the Supreme Court judges, female judges?
Justice, like currently, I remember, sir, Justice Indu Malhotra, Justice Indira Banerjee.
No, I asked you specifically because a lady from our state was the first woman judge at Supreme Court, Fatima Bibi.
Fatima Bibi, yes, sir.
She was the first female judge from in our country. That's why I asked. That's one. Number two, you must be in a position to have some answer for, say, female judges in Supreme Court. Now, present.
Yes. There is only one judge right now, sir.
Acha?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Then in your High Court, any lady judges are there? No idea.
Yes, sir, there are, but I can't recall the name.
Please find out. Please find out and get to know that also. Something like that, especially for female candidates, this question will definitely be there. Acha, who is your chief minister now?
Sir, Shri Hemant Soren is the chief minister of Jharkhand.
Which party?
The JMM, Jharkhand Mukti Morcha.
Jharkhand Mukti Morcha. Were they part and parcel of BJP sometime back, or what was the history of Jharkhand? First government, I think it was BJP, na?
BJP ruled government. Babulal Marandi was the first chief minister. Actually, what happened was like JMM party and all, they are very local to Jharkhand. Like they are for Jharkhand Heartland parties. So they helped in like the movement. There was a movement for separation of Jharkhand from Bihar. So this party, Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, was like foremost and party in that.
They stood first in that. Acha.
Yes,
but
sir.
The party that came to power first was, I think, BJP.
Yes,
some Munda, something like somebody was a chief minister, na?
Arjun Munda.
I think he is in central.
But he was after Babulal Marandi.
Yeah.
Babulal Marandi was the first chief minister.
Munda was also BJP, na?
Yes, sir. He was second chief minister.
Second. Now this is the third one or fourth one?
He's the sixth one, I guess.
Sixth one?
Yes, sir. So because in between they were like coalition and corruption scandals were happening, so chief ministers got changed.
Jharkhand formation, what was the date?
Sir, it was November 2001.
2001.
Yes, sir.
It was somewhere Yeah,
November 2000, mid-November, sir.
Oh.
18th November,
Date,
if I recall.
exact date is not required, but then Jharkhand, when was it formed?
In
Uh,
2001.
2000, no, 1 minute. I'm just seeing because here also it is not coming clearly. India, Ranchi, largest formation in 2000 November.
2000 November.
15 तारीख 15th November. ठीक है? Who is your governor now?
Governor is Srimati Draupadi Murmu.
Correct. Draupadi Murmu. Good. Do you have a upper house in your assembly?
No, sir. We only have legislative assembly.
Acha. How many seats are there in your legislative assembly?
So I do not
81
recall.
seats. 81.
81 seats.
And Rajya Sabha, how many seats are allowed for Rajya Sabha from Jharkhand? 6 seats.
6 seats. Yes.
Lok Sabha, how many seats? 14.
14.
Lok Sabha, it is 14. Okay.
14.
Good. Excellent. Now we had some idea about all these things. Yeah. Now, yeah. What are the acts that are more relevant for bankers?
So firstly, SARFAESI Act.
Hmm.
Most prominent is that.
Hmm.
Then after that, there is DRT Act.
Hmm.
Then there is obviously FEMA, FERA, Foreign Exchange Management Act, Foreign Exchange Regulation Act.
No.
And then there is
Right now, only one act is there. Foreign Exchange Regulation Act has been replaced by Foreign Exchange Management Act. So abhi to FERA nahi hai.
Yes, sir. So then there is CRPC is also relevant. CPC is also relevant. Like execution of money decrees and all. And CPC is also relevant. Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code is relevant. RBI Act, Banking Regulation Act.
Good.
Contract Act.
What do you know about Companies Act?
The Companies Act, there was a new Companies Act which was formed in 2013. Earlier it was 1956 Act, but 2013 Act came and like it had many changes and it streamlined more, like it defined more like clearly what were the roles and functions and everything.
What are the changes between 1956 Act and 2013 Act?
Yes, sir. So firstly,
I think I have given that link also, na? You must have seen that link. Differences between these two, yeah.
Yes, sir. So earlier in 1956 Act, there were no provisions for like cross-border mergers. In 2013 Act, there is also the provisions for women directors were included in 2013 Act. Earlier, there were no such provisions. Like if a company has a turnover of more than 300 crores, there has to be a women director on board. Then after that, like the number of members were changed. Like now, earlier it was 50 for a private company. Now it is 200. Similarly, there were many very changes. I could not recall.
No, there is I think I have given that link in one of the videos. I think it was done by one of the officers for SEBI. Did you go through that video? No. Don't think it is not related to you. You can learn a lot from there also.
Yes, sir.
You can learn a lot. 1 minute. I will show you that. I'm going, just a minute. Hold on.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Hold on. Because that one is very relevant.
Yes, sir.
SEBI, ECGC, SEBI Grade A interview. In that, 1 minute. one in that, SEBI grade A interview, SEBI management, SEBI interview guidance, IAS, SEBI legal officer mock interview. Please note down the date
sir.
is April 8th.
Okay, sir. SEBI mock interview. Yes, sir.
Which part of
Mumbai.
Mumbai? Oh, Baba. The place which is always called Corona.
Unfortunately.
What makes you draw interest in law? What is it that brought you to law? Yeah, now I'm coming to your, this is, I just showed you that so that you can, that is also 1 hour, nearly 1 hour. And that lady also speaks, you just learn, get to know from that. There also I asked this 1956 and she was able to give me a lot of reasons. Differences between 1956 and 2013. She only told about one-man company, something like that has been given.
Yes, sir. One-man company was not there in 1956 Act, but now, right now in 2013 Act, there is provision for one-man company.
Something like that.
Only one person.
So many changes she has told me.
1%.
And as you rightly said, minimum being 2, increased to
200, sir.
maximum being 50, increased to 200. Those things
200,
she
yes,
told.
sir.
So many things are there. Women directors also she was telling.
Yes.
So please go through that because you said your area of preference is corporate.
Yes, sir.
So you must know about that.
Yes, sir.
Which is the authority that is controlling corporate companies?
So there is SEBI, Security and Exchange Board of India.
Who is the chairman of SEBI?
Mr. Ajay Tyagi is the chairman of Security Exchange Board of India.
Good. Where is the headquarters?
Sir, in Mumbai.
Mumbai. Why have you not applied for that?
SEBI, sir, actually I had my bank mains exam in 2-3 days time. So I decided to focus on one, but my plan could not.
You could not write. It's okay. Doesn't matter. That's okay. Doesn't matter. Because SEBI salary is much higher than this.
Yes, sir.
SEBI gives you 1,06,000 rupees salary. Good. Excellent. That's good. And you are able to come out with reasons. Yeah. Whatever answer you give is okay, but you must be able to substantiate that. What are the good qualities in you that you like very much?
Sir, I am a very honest person. I am really good with communicating with people. Like I am, like in my college also, I was friends with almost every one of them. So like I have this really good relationship with people, and I am hardworking, and like I am punctual also. I like to like finish my work before the deadline. I do not like stretching my work up to the deadline. And like I'm really enthusiastic about the work I am really interested in. So that pushes me a lot towards being a better professional.
You can also say something like, say, leadership quality, then creativity, hardworking, then something like time management, group behavior,
Yes.
so many things. Good.
Yes.
Now, good. You answered very well. Can you tell me something about the relevance of rule in Clayton's case in banking?
Yes, sir. So Clayton's rule is basically that if there are multiple debts, if a person has multiple debts, suppose in relation to banking, if a person owes multiple debts to bank and he gives appropriates certain money, like he deposits a check, and without specifying that towards which debt that check is intended to, so the bank, by Clayton's rule, it is understood that the date in which the debts occurred, like the debt which occurred earlier, the payment is supposed to go towards the fulfillment of that debt.
But you are able to tell that, but you are not able to explain it properly. Like This is mainly applicable in the case of overdraft or cash credit accounts or running accounts, not loan accounts. In respect of overdraft accounts, you can't say, I don't know what is an overdraft account. You have to get to know about that. So in that case, what happened? The first credit goes towards the adjustment of the first debit. So in case of a death of a partner of a firm, the bank will close that account and open another account. Supposing there are 5 partners in an account and one partner dies, and
Yes,
in
sir.
order to fix the liability of the estate of the deceased, the bank will close this account and open another account and allow further debits only wherever they are convinced they deserve it. So that the rule in Clayton's case can be avoided. The estate of the deceased will continue to be liable for the debt of the firm. So that is what something about rule in Clayton's case. Yeah, you can tell about. Good, nice. What is the difference between valid and voidable contract?
Yes, sir. So valid contract is one which is enforceable by law, and it is defined in section 2(I) of Indian Contract Act. Valid contract is something like it is like mandatory for the persons involved, the parties involved, to perform their duties and obligations towards one another. And in a voidable contract is also a valid contract till the point the one party repudiates the contract, like rescinds from, like it is at the option of one party to not to fulfill his obligation, or if he decided he could go through with the contract, but if one party decides not to fulfill his part of the obligation, he could just not do so, and then the contract would be void. So voidable contract is at the option of one party. And it is defined in
Amit,
2J.
Amit, you can
Yes, sir.
note down
Yes, sir.
vassociates.in. V for victory,
Yes, sir.
associates.in.
Yes, sir.
There you can search about the Companies Act differences.
Yes, sir.
They have some 57 pages material on that.
Okay, sir.
57 pages material. बहुत कुछ है. आप ज़्यादा पढ़ना पड़ेगा. अच्छा.
Yes, sir.
Now I was talking to you about what was the point you were telling me?
So I was telling that
Voidable.
about void.
Voidable.
Yes, sir, voidable.
Voidable. Yeah. Voidable contract definition. Are
Yes.
you very? A voidable contract is a formal agreement between two parties that may be rendered unenforceable for a number of legal reasons. That's what they have given simply.
Yes, sir.
Reasons that can make a contract voidable include failure by one or both parties to disclose a material fact, a mistake or misrepresentation or fraud, undue influence or duress, one party's legal incapacity to enter into contract, that is minor, one or more terms that are unconscionable. What is unconscionable? UNCONSCIONAB. Unconscionable ka matlab not reasonable na kya? Let me see the meaning of it. Huh?
So I believe it is like the illegal, if the consideration is illegal or something like that.
No right, no right. No right
Yes.
or not reasonable. Good.
Yes, sir.
You told correctly. Then breach of contract. So आपका definition about voidable contract was not that very clear. आप थोड़ा improve करना है. समझ गया?
Yes.
Or regarding valid contract also, you can more emphasize by telling a valid contract is one that is enforceable in a court
Fine.
of law. Simple
Okay.
definition. Or through the legal process. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Mr. Amit, I think you are answering very well. No problem. We have been talking for 45 minutes.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
what problems did you experience while talking to me? Or Do you have any doubts in your mind?
No, sir. I'm like, uh, as my date has not been disclosed
I
yet.
know that is why you are not
So-
fully prepared. Na?
Yes, sir, sir. I would like after like a week or so, sir, one more like a
Yeah, we
chance
will meet
to.
again. We will meet again. So you can remit 100 and then ask for a date
Yes,
from me. We will meet
yes,
and we will talk. Absolutely no problem. I think you don't mind talking,
yes,
and you are talking very reasonably well.
mhm,
Good. And
yes,
so the confidence level has to improve. Next time when you meet me, you should not consider me as a stranger or be jada confidence होना है. ठीक है?
yes, yes.
Yeah, that is the only expectation from me. You have not told anything wrong so far, except this last one, Y double, whatever it is. And yeah, so no problem about that. And I will be posting it in our YouTube. You can also watch it and see what are the areas in which you can improve. Some areas, for example, that Surface Act, that answer did not come properly.
Sir, actually, I could not understand at that time. Like, I thought some like
This
two
is-
other. I am
that-
aware of this RPC and.
Yeah, I know
the
you are
process.
aware, but sometimes the questions come like this. Doesn't matter.
Yes.
I never wanted to make it tougher for you, but it is like this. Good. And also, please watch all the IBPS legal officers videos.
Okay.
Not that they are the experts. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. And हो सकता है there may be some repetition of questions, but there will be different way of answering the questions also. Some of these questions have been given to me only now. Pile, when I was conducting this interview initially, I wasn't fully aware about all these questions. Now I think here, this material you have now some 15 pages material.
Yes, sir.
Oh, like that you can, this is very comprehensive. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please prepare accordingly so that we can meet again after some time. Yeah, say
Sure.
maybe 10 days afterwards, or if the interview is announced, say about 2 or 3 days before that, if we meet, that will be good. And if you are having company of somebody else also, you can also talk with them. Are you in touch with some other boys from South Indian? Nobody.
No, sir. Nobody, sir.
Why?
So-
Why? Are there not some groups, WhatsApp groups and all? No.
Yes, sir. But like people are in Telegram group there is, but very few people, like 2, 3, and they also do not interact. So
They
I
don't interact.
do not know.
Mainly these lawyers में ये problem है. ये लोग, they are good in talking, but they don't talk. They don't interact. I don't know, because every candidate feels that if he tells, it will reduce his chances. In that way only, that YouTube girl, you know, she's very good. She's very confident. She's very confident, and she was talking Maharashtra girl. And just watch our video. And there are few other videos also, legal videos. Are you able to come across videos, illegal videos in my YouTube? No.
Yes, yes, sir. So
If you are not able to get, tell me, I will search and then send the links to you. You can get it under IBPS specialist officers or
Okay, sir.
IBPS law officers. हाँ, उसमें देख लीजिए,
sir.
जरूर आपको मिल जाए. ठीक है? Best wishes. Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.
I hope you
Thank-
enjoyed the discussion. I
you,
was
sir.
very
It was
happy in talking
great.
to you. Best wishes.
Thank you.
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you so much. And maybe after a week or 10 days, we can meet
Okay, sir.
again. And but read a lot,
Yes, sir.
and you must come and tell me, sir, I have prepared under these areas also. I know you are in a confused state. What they are going to ask, you don't know.
So they did not disclose the syllabus. In fact, for the written examination
nothing,
also,
then
there was
nothing.
no syllabus.
No syllabus will be there. First time when they are going to meet you for 10 minutes, they will simply ask you about yourself, your family, your parents, then your brother, then your hobbies, your likes, your achievements, and why you want to come to bank. Simple. But in that, आप थोड़ा और भी ज्यादा confidence से बात करना.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, you practice by standing before a mirror. Or ask your brother to ask questions and you answer. What are your strengths? And you know that 50 questions I have given, most common interview questions. You are aware of
Yes.
that? Huh?
Yes, sir.
उसमें से prepare कर दीजिए, आपको ठीक हो जाएगा. Supposing there can be a question, would you tell a lie for the company? Will you tell a lie for South Indian Bank?
So I do not know how to answer that. I mean,
These are known as tricky questions, or these are also known as trap questions. It is like asking, have you stopped smoking? Iska matlab, if you say yes also wrong, if you say no also wrong.
yes, sir.
Have you stopped beating your wife? I mean, these are all legal, this thing. Have you stopped beating your wife? So likewise, so it is, Baba, you are a lawyer. Let me tell you one interesting story I saw
Yes, sir.
in Prime channel. The story goes like this. There is a famous lawyer who is successful in getting divorces done. He has achieved up to 99 successes. The 99th success, after that, you know, he decides to go to Goa. His wife says, his wife, okay, we will go to Goa, go for 2 days and come. And before he is leaving the office, two people come and ask for divorce for them. They say they got married. One is a software engineer, other is a boutique person. She said, they say, we want to have divorce. Then this man says, no, don't worry. I will certainly get you divorce. Yours is very important for me. It is 100th case. My name will come in Guinness Book of Records. I will get it done for you, but please wait for 2 days. I will come. This is what he says. Then these people come out, and then the fellow goes. And next day, what happens? That that lawyer comes before them and stops them when they are fighting for something. Arey, don't fight here, don't like this. And then he comes and says, come on, see, you should not fight with people. You should reconcile with people and be good. How this change happened, you know? While traveling to Goa, the car met with an accident. Both of them died, husband and wife. And the wife could enter the heaven. The moment this lawyer wanted to go into the heaven, the fire was coming and he was not able to enter, and the God appeared before him and said, you can go in only if you are able to make that couple withdraw that divorce claim. समझ गए आपको? So
Yes,
that is why now that man is coming and appearing before these two people who are who have applied for divorce. He is visible only for them, and he tells you withdraw the case, withdraw. But these two people never agree. This fellow said to the God, "अरे भाई वो तो कोई तकलीफ नहीं, 30 मिनट में आके करेगा." But it is not that fun. These fellows fight with each other and all that. And then another story is also told about how his junior now tries to see that this case is made a divorce case. He says, this is my first case. I want to get success. Something interesting like that. The end, of course, they join together. They don't get separated. So very interesting. So the divorce. So this one I saw, and some other movie also, another lawyer. Nowadays we get movies with about lawyers and all.
yes.
But lawyers, you know, normally lawyers, they are also, I should not tell you. Lawyers are also known as liars. But don't, now, for example, you know, it is not correct. See, you have to argue in favor of your party, even though he has committed a crime. You will have to argue in his favor. That's what. Have you had any experience of criminal cases? No.
No, sir.
Anyhow, best wishes. We'll meet again. Thank you.
Thank
You can also tell some stories like that to me. Some experiences like that.
Okay,
You must be
yes.
able to. And I think you are watching the movies like The Heist, HEIST. That
Yes,
is
sir,
something to
money.
do with the financial transactions and all. And watching some sort of Jamatara Netflix
Yes,
video
sir.
also will help you. Thank
Yes,
you. Best wishes. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye bye. I enjoyed.